trying to. Welcome to High Wycombe train station. Today is the 15th of June 2020. High Wycombe is a town, like I was saying, High Wycombe is a town in Buckinghamshire County in England, in the UK. There's a High Wycombe train station, public car park and partly bus station. This is one of them Illuminati Freemason gardens I've been hearing about. They've been planting flower. A Freemason is like a cult to believe in Satan or that, but I don't want to get into it. They help pay for a new High Wycombe train station, and there's the new bus station, a public bus station and a public taxi station where you get to ride on a taxi. This is High Wycombe town. Time now it's let's say 20 past 3 p.m. UK time. It's the 15th of June 2020, and after 3 long months of not get to go to your favorite supermarket or go to your favorite shop in a shopping center or public market, you get to go today. Could go 3 month or 12-day ban because the coronavirus is over.